My name is Kyle Mileski, and this is my bicycle check. I have the S&M Tall Boy frame, which is a 21.5 top tube, and then I have Odyssey Sandbar handlebars with ODI super soft grips, and those are a 9-inch rise bar. And I have a Chula stem, Shadow headset, Odyssey R32 Forks. And then my wheels, I have front and back Odyssey hazard lights, and the front is laced to a Gsport Simian, and the back is a Primo Freemix. And then I have the Odyssey Thunderbolts cranks and a daily grind Millennium bash guard sprocket, and then I have the Odyssey twisted pedals. And then my tires, I have the Eclat Fireball 2.4s. I have the Fiend Fat Seat, and that is on a Shadow seat post. No, and the twisted pedals are Floral. My sweet jelly bean helmet. I had a boring gray helmet, and my friend does hydro dipping, so I thought it would be sweet to have jelly beans. And now that I look at it, I think it's the most hideous thing in the world, but whatever. And then I also have the coolest belt caps ever. They're rubber duckies, and don't even ask me where I got them from, because they're gone. Never to be gotten again by anyone. But, stand up.